Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best surfboards on Amazon. As one of the most popular water sports, surfing offers a combination of thrill and workout that is hard to match. You can have an awesome time regardless of your skill level, with only a single requirement: a good board. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Wavestorm Sunburst Graphic. For those of you who are on a tighter budget and want good value for your money, the Wavestorm Sunburst Graphic is the best surfing board to get. At 8 feet long and with a volume of 86 liters, it's among the largest boards on our list. Because of this, it's a very good option for tackling larger waves. The great-looking Sunburst graphic on this board will catch your attention immediately. However, this model offers much more than just good looks. Its triple fin configuration improves tracking and makes turns more precise, while the grip pad in the back ensures you don't lose your footing. What we like about it: great-looking Sunburst print on the board deck. 3 fins with a bolt-through design for extra security. Triple stringer core system for additional strength. Built-in leash plug with an included ankle leash. Number 2. South Bay Board Company. Premium Beginner. If you're after a stable and forgiving model that will help you boost your skills, check out the South Bay Board Company. Premium Surfboard. Thanks to its custom shape, beginners will have a much easier time standing up on the board and controlling it on the wave. At 7 feet long, you can say that this board falls into the mid-range category. It has a total volume of 49 liters, which will be enough to support adults weighing up to 180 pounds. The Epps foam core features a triple stringer system for additional firmness, while the wax-free fingerprint Epps foam deck prevents your feet from slipping. What we like about it: 3 thruster fins for an increased speed. Double concave bottom design boosts stability. Triple stringer system, 2 wood plus 1 fiberglass. Number 3. Paragon Surfboards Mini Log. The Paragon Mini Log surfboard takes the best features from long and shortboards to give you a ride that is fast, stable, and incredibly exciting. Owing to its double bottom concave that provides impressive stability, the Mini Log might be the best beginner surfboard around. At the same time, the swiftness and maneuverability will attract more experienced riders too. In addition to the double concave bottom that we've mentioned, another feature worth pointing out is the central fin that comes with the board. At 8 inches long, the fin significantly improves the tracking when you're on the wave. On the other hand, you can easily remove it when it's time to pack. What we like about it: Paralite epoxy construction makes it strong but lightweight. Double bottom concave improves the overall stability. More maneuverable than a longboard with the same ease of paddling. Excellent board for practicing and improving skills. Perfect for experienced surfers. Number 4. Wavestorm Epps Core Classic. A great thing about the Wavestorm 8 Classic surfboard is that it comes with a board sock included in the package, which makes transportation and storage much safer and easier. As for the board itself, it's 8 feet long and features a classic tri-fin system to provide optimal performance in different conditions on the water. The volume of the Wavestorm Classic is excellent for an 8-foot board, 86 liters, so you can count on great buoyancy and stability while riding. On top of this, the fins we've mentioned are easily removable, allowing you to customize their number and position while riding or remove them completely when packing. What we like about it: board sock included for protection and transportation. Strong HDPE bottom resists impact and abrasion. Well-balanced design provides great stability on the water. Soft Webs IXL barrier skin covers the entire deck surface. Excellent surfing beginner board for learning. Number 5. Jontex Foamy Beginner. The soft foam deck and extra wide body make the Jontex Foamy the best shortboard for children and learners. The ride is incredibly forgiving, so you'll be able to practice standing up and balancing without falling immediately. On the other hand, the triple fin system allows the board to build up speed, so it doesn't feel sluggish. Simple but incredibly functional, the design of this board makes it very versatile on the water. What we like about it: a soft top makes it great for learning and practicing. Removable triple fin system for easier transportation. PP bottom provides excellent resistance to heat and cold. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.